Paano ka nakasisiguro? How sure are you? Paano mo nalaman? How did you know? Paano ko malalaman? How would I know? Paano mo ginawa iyon? How did you do that? Paano mo siya nakilala? How did you meet him? Paano ito gawin? How to do this? Paano iyon napunta rito? How did it get here? Paano mo iyan binuksan? How did you open it? Hindi ko alam kung paano ka tutulungan. I don't know how to help you. Paano ko naman iyon makikita? How would I see it? Paano mo iyan babayaran? How would you pay that? Paano tayo aalis rito? How do we get out of here? Paano ka nagtagumpay? How did you succeed? Paano ko ba sasabihin? How will I say it? Ipakita mo sa akin kung paano ito gawin. Show me how to do this. May alam ka ba kung paano ito gawin? Do you have idea how to do this? Nakita ko kung paano siya nagsumikap. I saw how he worked hard. Paano ko siya makikita? How will I see her? Ipakita mo sa akin kung paano gamitin ito. Show me how to use this. Paano ko siya makakalimutan? How will I forget him? Paano ko ba sasabihin sa kanya? How will I tell her? Paano ba nangyari? How does it happen? Paano tayo magkikita? How are we going to meet? Paano ito kainin? How to eat this? Paano ko sasabihin ang totoo? How will I say the truth? Paano tayo aalis nang walang sasakyan? How are you going to live without a vehicle? Paano ito napadpad dito? How did it end up here? Paano ang tamang paghiga? What's the proper way to lay down? Paano ko ba siya makakalimutan? How will I forget him? Paano tayo magsisimula? How are we going to start? Paano kung kausapin niya ako? What if she talks to me? Paano na lang tayo? How about us? Paano ko ba malalaman kung tama ang ginagawa ko? How will I know if I'm doing the right thing? Paano kayo nagkabati? How did you reconcile? Paano sila naging magkaibigan? How do they become friends? Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo ang totoo? What if I tell you the truth?